Hello everyone. Today we shall look into table heat map. Here we have a data which is month name and sales of these years 2000 from 2015 to 2018. Here you could see that my data is not unpivoted. It is pivoted with respect to month and month number. Here if I could go to report view and show you a table, I'll click on the table. Here you have this table visual. I'll select on month name. Here you could see that my data is sorted and these are my sales for respective years. Suppose that I have this I have loaded my custom visual which is table heat map. I'll select this table heat map. Okay, you could see this table heat map selected. Here we have two fields which is category and the y-axis. In category I'll bring my month name. In y-axis I'll bring all my data for the years 2015, 16, 17 and 18. Here you could see as I brought the data, here you could see that my months are represented from January to December and my data of respective years is uh, like visible in the respective gradient colors. I'll quickly show how to format this and do the necessary formatting. We shall click on the format your visual. In general settings, you can see this enable color viewer. If you could turn it off, then it will show these gray colors. You can turn it on to change the colors. In this color brewer, there are various colors with coded, which are coded. Suppose that I want green color, I could change it to green color. Here, as you could see, these five buckets which you could see in the below, it is called as buckets. So I can set the range of buckets. Suppose that I want only three buckets, you could arrange that it in three buckets. You could see that my lower bucket is in light color, middle bucket is in little green color, and the extreme values are in dark green color. You can change the gradient and start gradient and end gradient if you want. Here you could, this option which you could see, it is an option for the coloring the null, like data with null values. If you turn it on, it will color the data with null values. If you turn it off, it will uncolor. So here let us turn it on. If there are any missing null values, it could represent. Here I have data labels. I could turn on my data labels. I could show it in little darker color for you. Here you could see my data labels are visible. I could increase my text size. I could change my font family. These are like data labels. I would turn on the data labels. Here in x-axis, all the month names which you see above are my x-axis labels. I could change it to little darker color and I could increase the text size. Okay, even we can change the format of fonts. So this is my x-axis settings, and in the y-axis I have my years which are represented. Of course I do require it. I'll change it to darker color. I could change the text symbol id, and even I could increase the text size or the font family. Okay, this is how you format the y-axis data labels, and it is all about the table heat map. In addition, if you are aware of it, you could make it interact with other visuals, put additional columns, and increase the data visibility. Please do explore the table heat map. I hope you are able to understand. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.